Good morning, ladies. Thank you for joining me again this week for another card kit. And in the mail, I mailed it yesterday, so you'd probably get it either today or tomorrow. But I have quite a few of these little note cards left. So I thought, well, what am I going to do with them? So I turned them into just a little either thinking of you pouch or send it as a birthday gift. Just sweet little pouch. Really easy. And I just stuck 2 tea bags in here that I had in the house, so whatever. There's no tea bags in your kit, so you can put in whatever you want. All right, so let's get started putting this together. All right, this time I'm going to do a petal pink. The colors that you could get either a balmy blue, an old olive, a petal pink, and there is one other color that escapes me. Oh, I think it's a terracotta tile. So there's 3 different colors, and there's 2 different patterns of DSP, and it's all from the Love Your Art collection. So since it's 2-sided DSP, you can decide what works best for you. Some of you will have these swatches, and I ran out of that paper. I'm trying to use up all my last scraps before it all expires. Okay, so first thing, just put the DSP on the front cover, centered. All right, your choice of which side is out. Okay, then on the scalloped side, just run a small, really close to the edge, little bead of glue. You can use adhesive as well, but that's going to take up more space. You might not be able to get 2 tea bags in there if that's what you choose to use. Okay. All right. Now, what is not in your kit is an extra piece of cardstock, and I thought, well, if you wanted to give this as a note, you'd want to put a piece of cardstock in there to write on. So that's not in the kit that you got. So I just cut this, and it is 3.5 by 4 1/4, and you do have an extra little strip, and I'm going to just put that on the top. Here's my silicone sheet here. Easier to see, and I don't end up with glue all over the place. All right, we'll just trim that off. All right, so that can go on the inside then, along with the tea bags. And write a little note. All right. Might be a little tall. I might have to trim that down, but let's move on. All right, you've got 2 cups, and they are facing away from each other. And you've got some little green sprigs that need to be glued on. And I find the best way to do that is just put a little bit on your silicone sheet. Dab it with a sponge. This is a used sponge that I'm only using for glue. And just tap that on there. Put that on. And then if it dries too quickly, your green sprigs stick to your sponge. There we go. All right, then just a little dab, and you've got some little flowers from an old punch, so this is not a current punch. And put those on here as well. And then you've got tea bag tags that are already stapled and cut for you. And all I'm going to do is take some Scotch tape and tape the string behind the cup. I could just pick things up. All right, and you've got little hearts. You can go on either side, really, doesn't matter. Little hearts. You have 2 hearts, and I just put a piece of little dimensional, mini dimensional on the back. Okay, and we have to trim off. All right, you can pop the cups up with a dimensional or just glue them. I'm going to glue them because I figure the tea bag is going to make the envelope a little thicker anyway, and I don't want to make it too thick and freak the post office out. Okay, 1. There's no greeting on here, but you could easily make a little tag or a little strip down at the bottom, thinking of you, get well soon, happy birthday, whatever. All right, you've got a matching envelope, and that's it. That's it for this week's card kit. I hope you have fun. Gives you some different ideas as to what you can do with little note cards. I hope you have a great day. Hope you're all doing well, staying healthy, and I hope to see you all soon. Take care. Have a good day.